Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by making a backup and ensuring power and connection. First, back up to iCloud or to your computer so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, plug the phone into power or confirm battery is above 50% and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid cellular data issues. Next, check available storage and remove unneeded files until you have at least a few percent free. Then open Settings to start the download process under Software Update. You'll tap Settings, General, then Software Update to download the package, accept terms and enter your passcode when prompted. The device verifies the file and prepares the update. This can take several minutes, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. Once verification finishes, choose Install Now or Schedule for overnight installation. During installation, the screen will go black and the phone will restart several times. That's normal. Make sure you keep it on power and stationary until it finishes. After the update completes, you'll see setup prompts sign in with your Apple ID and follow any configuration steps. This finalizes security and feature updates. Then check critical apps for updates in the App Store and confirm settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and privacy are unchanged. If something misbehaves, restart the phone or reinstall affected apps. If the update stalls or the device won't boot, force restart first. If that fails, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes recovery mode to restore or reinstall safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.